Why, Max? Why did you do this to me? You promised you would come back, but it's been 5 months, even you didn't call me once. You cheated me. How could you leave me like this? Where are you? What did I do? Really, I deserve this? I thought you loved me. I was so blind, that's why I married you. I'm so stupid. I trusted you, and now I have nothing. What am I going to do now? I'm all alone. Maybe it's Max. He came. Who are you? Miss, where is your husband? I need my rent. What do you mean? What rent? Max rented this house from me for 5 months. Those 5 months are over. If you want to stay longer, you will need to pay me. What are you talking about? This is my husband's house. Why would I pay rent? Your house? Are you crazy? This is my house. Max rented it. Where is he? Call him. What? This isn't his house? Oh my God. What's happening? Listen, miss, I don't care about your confusion. I want this house empty by evening, if you can't pay. But Max said this was his house. He married me. He went on a business trip, but he hasn't come back or called me. I don't know about that. But you need to leave, and I need my house back. Oh my God, what is happening? I trusted him. What am I supposed to do now?